Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm using the new Morphe 35H palette. It's a really nice palette. It's my first time using it on camera, so y'all will see the look and how much I love it. But let's get right into it. So basically, all the shades that I used will be listed in the description down below with the names and everything. I promise, because usually I forget. But I take that first shade, and I just put it in my crease, same as usual. And then I use this dark navy blue shade and put it into the inner part of my crease so I can add definition to the eye. And the whole thing about this look, to achieve it, all you have to do is just blend and take your time and blend, because these shadows are very pigmented and the color payoff you're going to get, but they're very pigmented, so be very careful and take your time blending. And then I cut my crease, with my Makeup Revolution concealer. And yeah, and then I'm taking a flat brush and I'm using a blue shimmery color. It's really, really pretty and appealing to the eye, and it tied the whole look together because I had no idea what I was doing. Look-wise, I didn't know, but I thought that was really pretty. And so the thing about that shimmer is that you have to really build it up to get the desired payoff, the color payoff and everything. So just keep in mind. But like I said, all the mattes for sure were great. And the shimmers they're really cute too. You just have to really, build it up. And then I'm going back in with the same dark navy blue shade to kind of, make sure I didn't lose the color, which, how could you? But yeah, I'm just making sure everything looks great and blended. And then I'm taking this gold shimmery shade and kind of putting it in the center of my lid, where it kind of, when it hits the shimmery blue and the navy blue, so it has a nice transition in the middle, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love this look so much, oh my gosh. But I'm using a black liquid eyeliner. I don't remember where I got this from, but I don't remember. It's just a black eyeliner. But y'all can put me on some new eyeliners. I love trying new things, so let me know in the comments down below, what eyeliner do you use and what I should try. Okay, so I did prime my face and moisturize off camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so crazy. I forgot to turn on my camera. But I used my, Baby Instant Primer with Matte Fix Plus. And then for foundation, I use Fenty Beauty. Y'all know I love Fenty Beauty, but I really want to try a new foundation. So y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all want, what foundation that y'all use and I should try. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C12, and I'm just using the old regular schmegular thing that I be doing. And by the way, I'm not talking to myself, because when I was editing this video, I look like I'm talking to myself, but I'm not, I promise. And now I'm taking my Banana Deep and Banana Makeup Revolution powders and setting the places I concealed. And people, if you have dry skin, because I have combination skin, but right where my eyes and everything, under my eyes, on my nose, those areas are very oily. So this powder works for me. But if you have dry skin, I would recommend definitely Laura Mercier if you moisturize very well. So the key is moisturizing. So if you don't moisturize, that's probably why the powders aren't working for you. But definitely if you have dry skin, use oils and moisturize very well, and then I think this powder will work better. So that's just a little tip. But I'm using the ABH foundation stick in the shade Ebony. At the time, they were having a sale at Sephora like half off foundation sticks. I think it was like $12, so you know I had to grab one. I should have grabbed another one for like foundation, but I wasn't thinking. You know me, I don't really think when I'm in the moment. I'm like, ooh, I need this for this because I already have this, you know. Lame, I know. But yeah, I'm just blending, and I forgot how nice and creamy, definitely pigmented this foundation stick is. And I think I went a little too ham, a little bit, but I'm going to fix it, I promise. But it actually kind of looks good, but on camera. But I'm definitely, you know, going to make it look a lot better. Whoa, this clip is long. Yeah, I do end up fixing it, just blending. It's really nice, like really nice. And then I ended up cutting my cheek just so like my contour would look a little bit sharper and not so messy. And I still didn't blend out my nose. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't I hope this is not a thing. I need to hurry up. Quit talking, Shyla. Okay, so I did set my I did set it. Why is it the video? Oh man. Okay. Well, anyway, the clip is gone, but I did set the foundation stick, like contour, whatever you want to call it, with, you know, my usual Too Faced, you know, bronzer. And then I used this new blush, and it was really pretty, as you guys can see. I didn't get it in the video. Whatever. But I did use a I'll put it all down in the description below. But I did use a highlighter from the ABH Glow Kit. I don't remember the shade, but everything will be listed down below, I promise this time. And then I'm going under my eyes with the same dark blue shade and just blending that out. And then I use Nars Climax Mascara for my lower and upper lashes. And then I line my lips with my usual Expresso lip liner by NYX. And then I use this new lipstick from Bite Beauty. So check them out. They're really good. It's a liquid lipstick, but it's so comfortable on the lips. I love it. The shade will be listed down below as well. And then I used what did I use? See, look how it glides so beautifully. Ugh. And then I used Velvet Teddy for the center of my lips. And then I blot, just, you know, take off a little bit of that. But that is it for the look. So, see y'all in the outro. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!